How to reset YouTube recommendations. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial I'll be showing you how you can easily reset your YouTube recommendation. So as most of you know that YouTube recommends you videos based on the videos that you like or based on the videos that you probably watch continuously. So you can perform this method or this process on both as on Android as well as this PC version. And once inside here on your history section, you can tap on this clear or watch history. So you can also pause watch history if you don't want the YouTube to keep tracking of whatever videos you like to watch. So now I'll simply tap on this clear or watch history. So as you can remember or read it from over here, that is your videos recommendations will be reset but may still be influenced by activity on other Google products. So you need to keep that in mind. And once you do that, just tap on this clear or watch history just like this, and your video recommendations from YouTube will be successfully resetted just like that. So that is it for today guys. I hope this video was informational. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.